I want to do another flight with the eratix. I've had it a while. You can see the hinge tape on the ailerons and on the elevator. And just had one of the wheels break, which they had these foam wheel pants on it that I knew it was just a matter of time before they broke off. But I had an old Fontana plane, and I took those wheels. I just had the plane got demolished, so I saved the wheels on it. So we'll see if this works on here. See how it does with it. Alright, let's see what happens. I think it taxis a little bit faster than other wheels. Hopefully I'll use for wheel colors will work on it. Guess I'll find out. Alright. Well, that was sloppy hover. Which, like I said in previous videos, like I didn't set this one up the way it's supposed to be. Like I don't have safe. I just got an old orange receiver in it. And I didn't use Spectrum batteries, so I buy 3 of them Value Hobby for the price of 1 Spectrum battery. It flies pretty good, but if I want to go buy another one, or if I would have bought another one, I'd probably say no. Just the fact I got several foam planes that fly like it or similar. Alright, let's do a flat spin, or attempt one. Not a real good one. It will hover. I've just been kind of out of practice. Ugh. I gotta do smooth landing that to finish this. That's probably how I broke the other wheels. I like that, but they can't take much of an impact at all. What wheels came on it. That one's better, a little bouncy. I think those wheels are going to work on it though. I actually think that looks better than the original.